Hello everyone, this is Satvik here. You can post your questions over here. Okay, anything regarding cyber security or anything else, I'll try to answer them. You can post your questions over here. Okay, I'll try to answer them. Let me remove this desktop icons so that it would be clear for you guys, and I'll answer them from my mobile phone. And also do check that out. So guys, tomorrow there will be a video on Windows subsystem for Linux, so which basically tells you how you can set up your Kali Linux within your Windows. Okay, like this. You can see my application running. Yeah, you can see that you can set up your Kali Linux like this within your Windows machine. So I'll make a video on that tomorrow. There will be a video on this. And also, if you need any more support or anything else, you can do check out my Discord server, guys. You can get some awesome stuff out here, like really cool and awesome stuff you can find here. And you can also get some good support, some good resources and everything. And I'm having some time issues, so uh, post your questions as soon as possible. Okay, like I'll try to answer them. And okay, you can proceed. And also there will be videos coming on Python for ethical hacking series and everything else. Okay, and also if you're new to this channel, do subscribe. Okay, don't simply subscribe, but do check out my previous videos as well if you really like them, like the content, or if you are really much into the cyber security field. Do check them out. That's what I could recommend for you. I will do live for today 9 p.m. Okay, like I'm having some work to do. You can post your questions. I'll try to answer them. So there is no Q&As out there. Any questions? Think you guys might be typing. Okay, cool. Hi Hitesh. I'm looking into your comments in my mobile phone. There is nothing else in my mobile. Okay, the reason is it the comments are loading really slow in while doing live. But if I can look into my mobile, it's much more effective. Yeah, I'm fine, Hitesh, and I'm hoping same with you. Okay, and also you can also recommend some of the videos that you want to see on my channel. Okay, and also do check out my previous and new videos as well. They are much more good and much more helpful. Okay, like one is on email spam, like how to put a check to the email spam and things like that. Okay, do check that out, or you can post your videos. So the video that I posted recently, which is on email header analysis or email analysis, is the suggestion given by one of our subscriber, one of our friend. I won't call him a subscriber, one of my friend. Okay, and which language is Payloads made? There are many languages, Hitesh. It could be Python, it could be Ruby. Okay, it could be PHP. It depends upon the uh, what you call, it depends upon the programming language that's being used on uh, the server or the target machine. Okay, if it is a web server, then you write payloads in PHP. If it's a normal IIS server like Windows server, you write payloads in ASPX. Okay, it depends. And if you ask me how to make payloads and scripts, see, payloads are like reverse shell. So what you basically do is you write a program such that whenever the program is executed, the target machine tries to connect to you. Okay, so that's everything the payloads are. the payloads we are using commonly right now. Okay, and something like rats and ransomware, those are different stuff, but basically you see mostly the reverse shells out there. So whenever the program or the whenever the payload is executed on the target machine, what happens is the target machine tries to connect to you. Okay, so that's what everything happens. I hope it's clear, Hitesh. And good question. Okay, I had heard a good question from you. And also some more questions. Still time is till 9 p.m. Yes, now it's 8:27 only. There is lots of time to answer all your queries. And I thought to make a video on a CTF, but I'm having less amount of time. So I thought making a Q&A session would be a fine. Okay, like let's discuss session or anything else. And if you're really new to this channel, do subscribe, do check out, and do share with your friends. Okay. So hi G1, how to make Ngrok public link? So after you install Ngrok, simply run the following command. I'll post in the chat. Okay, do check that out. Ngrok. In Ngrok, there are some things like HTTP, TCP, or anything else, right? Simply mention HTTP and specify the port. Okay, like any port number of your choice, and it will connect to it. Like simply look into the menu of Ngrok. Like I might be wrong in this case, but you can always look into the options what Ngrok is specifying, and you can make that. And also one thing, you can definitely make Ngrok, but you can make a public link using Ngrok, but the issue comes is you don't have any specified domain. Like let's take an example, g1.com. It won't be like that. Like it would be some random characters and stuff. Okay. Like first experiment with that and try to do on that. Hi ADJ Gaming World. I think this is Akshay or Akshit. And also do like this video, guys, so that YouTube can understand that you are really liking this content, and it could recommend to the more people. Yeah, Akshay, you can post your question, guys. I will be live till 9 p.m. Okay, so I can answer almost all your questions out there. And you can also post your what you call suggestions, like the video suggestions that you want to see on my channel. I break it up. Hi, hello. I hope you are doing well. I hope all you guys are doing well, and I am also doing well. Like any suggestions or any questions, anything else. Okay. How to encrypt our IP in payload? Um, See, you can encrypt the whole payload, right? What's the meaning of IP in that? If you encrypt the whole payload, then you can definitely uh, like our payload consists of our IP, right? So whenever you do that, uh, whole your IP and everything will be uh, encrypted. And there are many tools out there for that. Like I don't know any specific thing. Like there has been lots of new tools coming out there every like frequently. Okay, to check that out, like how to encrypt the payload. But also, even though if you encrypt it, doesn't work because let's think the target machine might be Windows XP or Windows older version of Windows. Okay, yes, Andros Spy check that. That's really working fine. Thanks. I think you are the one who suggested me that. Yeah, I worked on that. That's really working fine. I tried it on a VM. Okay, a Windows VM. It worked fine. Or if you want to see, if you want any resources or anything else, comment below. Okay, any resource for bug bounty or anything else, I'll do provide them for you. And also most of you guys are asking me for my bug bounty setup, so I generally go with my Windows machine only. Okay, don't turn me as noob, don't turn me as noob. I mean, but I don't know how to exploit it. Can I tell that vulnerability to you? See, all the file upload, uh, yes. So like Ngrok assigns an a server, okay, for you, particular free server, and yeah, it's like a port forwarding is done by default by using Ngrok. You can term it like that as well. Okay, file upload vulnerability. See, uh, whenever you find something to upload, it doesn't mean it's always vulnerable to file upload. You can say it is vulnerable or not. Like you can only tell it is vulnerable if you are able to exploit it. Okay. See, even though you can upload a PHP file, that doesn't mean it is vulnerable. Okay, like there could be an antivirus on the server. Who can tell you, man? Okay, there could be a possibility, right? Like there could be some antivirus which might not work. Okay, so I create the hack. Hi Gautam. Hi. See, Akshay, if you can only exploit that, then you can say it's vulnerable. Okay, if it's able to if you are able to upload PHP, that doesn't mean it is vulnerable. Okay, so hi Gautam. Bro, I create my hack the box account. The problem is my mission is the problem is mission play button is missing, bro. Sorry, I haven't understood that. Break it up. Okay, I think your name is Pratap, I think so. I'm not clear what your question is about. Contact, yeah, sure, you can contact me out there. Even though you upload that, and you even though you upload that, yeah, there could be possibility. There could be a possibility, or there could not be a possibility. I can't tell you, but English exam, cool. So, is this the Android Spy? It's the latest version. Area 51. Yes, I think that's the reason. That's the region where United States do some stuff out there, like aliens, weaponry and stuff. Okay, like I had heard some rumors. I don't know whether they are rumors or not, but uh, make your Telegram server sure. Sure, will be. Even though I make a Telegram group, we can't allow chatting or stuff like that. Okay, that can be only possible in Discord. Even though if I create a Telegram group, we'll share some resources. Okay, that will, if that's fine, then we can create it. Okay, yeah, Discord is always the best. Discord is always the best. If you really want Telegram, then what I could do is I could create a what you call an announcement, or I don't know what it's called, announcement group or anything else, where only admins can post their any stuff out there. Okay, and if you want it, I can post some resources out there. Okay, and even I can do that even on my Discord as well. See, if you want to meet me, Discord is the only best way. Discord is the only best way. Like even though if I'm not responding, someone could help you out. There would be someone. Okay, think so, it's clear. Telegram is not fine, bro, because I had seen lots of, like, first my group used to be Telegram group. Yes, I'm in college. Harshal Chauhan. I used to have a Telegram group, but some guys messed it up. Okay, like I thought it would be good for sharing their doubts, but some guys messed that out, like by sending some spam messages, and that's fine. That's fine. Discord is absolutely fine. Okay, And the reason why I'm using Discord is you can have more privileges, okay? Like you can operate all the server with your own hands if you're owner. So is hackersploit? Uh, nope, nope. Hackersploit is not there. And also, if you are really interested in cybersecurity and stuff, do check out my previous videos, guys. This is just a live session to check out. And yes, and also here you can post some of your suggestions, like some legal suggestions, educational content only, okay, so that I can make you can be okay. That's fine. That's not the question, bro. That's not at all a question. That's an intimation, I think so. Okay, I'll send the image and contact in Discord. Yeah, sure, Pratap, sure. And we have some bunch of moderators and also mentors who can help you out in solving these tasks, okay? And also, if you are watching this video, do like it so that YouTube will understand that you guys are liking this content, and it will promote to more people. And I could provide a little bit of overview to my server as well. You can see there are some sections where you can post your questions and stuff. Only two moderates active, guys, like J1. Yes, someone would definitely help you, okay? Even if I'm not available, someone would definitely help you. That's the reason a building community is the best way, okay? Even though if I managed to have a Telegram, I couldn't make this possible, okay? Like there will be some unnecessary pings or calls. That's horrible, man. And Telegram is horrible to maintain people. I'm not saying individually, but it could be. Can you do a hack the box machine live? No, no, not having any resources out there right now. I'm having only little bit of time. So if you want to know how do I solve, then do check out my previous videos on hack the box. Uh, nope, I'm not serious. I think it might be the problem with the shade. I think so. Uh, and tomorrow there will be video on how to install Kali Linux in Windows. Okay. Is this G1 who is in our server? I think so. Want the Josh? I think it's Nag Chaitanya's movie. Go ahead and watch that out. So yes, any more questions? Are you doing ports figure class? Yes, I used to do. No, Ngrok is not reinstalling Kali. That's the best way to learn cybersecurity, like bug bounty skills for free. Uh, Web Security Academy. If you want even that, I'll make video on that as well. And did you see my suggestion? Yes, bro, but that's not possible for me right now. But it will be definitely possible in the upcoming future. You can see that kind of video in the upcoming future, okay? Not right now. still we are having lots of time, like 20 minutes of time around. Post your questions. You can install it. What is your goal? To be a good citizen, and also to do what I love. I want to be good at cybersecurity, so that's what I want to do in future. A video on how to run Linux on Windows. Yes, tomorrow. That's what I'm saying, Gautam. Tomorrow there is a video. Like I haven't recorded that. Should do that tomorrow, and then it will be fine. I think audio is clear, right? Yes, it is clear. Cool. Much more questions, guys. Come on, guys. Post your questions. Any suggestions or anything else? Yes. Yes. Hi. Hi, Vedant. Hello. Also, I'll go with my PC. Tomorrow there will be a video on installing Kali Linux in Windows or any Linux distribution in Windows using Windows subsystem for Linux, and evening there will be a normal walkthrough. I feel that I don't get enough time to practice video. My skills decrease. What to do? Time management. That's all I can tell, man. You need to practice every day, or else if anyone will lose it. When anyone, you keep on practicing, then practice it here first. Like manage more time. That's what I could suggest. Okay, like nights or mornings for Ngrok auto is important. Yes, when you log in, you like when you register for an account, it while in the installation page you can see the token or the command you need to run so that the token is saved. Don't you know what why face is looking dull? Could be the reason. Could be the reason. He's doing CDF all the time. He's joking with the. Nope, I think so. I think he told he's having exams, and two video on developer tools and browser for web hacking. Developer tools in browser. I think yesterday I covered that. Let me do that. Yeah, I'll definitely make a video. It's all about inspect elements, right? Let's take a page. Let's take my CV page only. My normal website. If you right click on the page, and if you go to the inspect, you can see some elements out there in the here in the elements tab. You can see all the pro code, and here in the styles tab you can see the CSS and the layout and everything stuff out there. And here if you go to the console, you can run some JavaScript like alert of one. Okay, like you can run JavaScript here. In sources you can see what are all the files, like this is the website, and in the website there is a folder called CV, and in the folder there is CSS where it consists of some CSS file, and in the images there are some images. Okay, and in index it's having HTML. So this is like this, and these are APIs, which means so these, so for having this font I implemented some, like I imported some APIs. And network, you can see some requests. Like these are all the things. Let me come back to you. I want a coupon for Udemy. Please give me some suggestion. Oh no, man, how can I start with bug bounty? It's really simple, bro. First start with what are the basic things in cybersecurity. And if you want to start with cybersecurity, so if you know how to do see, bug bounty hunting is nothing but ethical hacking, right? It's also an ethical hacking. uh, they used to create a web page 1.5 day. This is a normal web page, okay? The one I created is really normal using HTML and CSS. Like I took it as a challenge and I created that. So Daksh Kurana, okay, like look how to get started with cybersecurity. If you know little bit of hacking, then like if you know a little bit of hacking, then you can definitely go to bug bounty. So in bug bounty there are some vulnerabilities. Like, bro, you practice hacking daily? Yes, I practice hacking daily for a little amount of time. Like I solve CDFs or I learn something out there. You need to maintain consistency, not only to you, but everyone who are working on any skill or anything else. Maintain consistency. If you maintain good consistency, then you will see good results. Okay, like if you leave, you practice and leave after some time, then it's not going to work. You need to practice daily. Practice daily. For some time you can see some good results. What are the best things to start with bug bounty? Was OS 2 shop? Okay, which is better for joining? See, both are better. Both are better. There is no discrimination or anything else. Not changing from the last 5 years because OS top 10 shows some top vulnerabilities. Okay, there might be only those vulnerabilities from last decade, I think so. So that's the reason it's not changing. Okay. It will be printed like after 5 years or stuff like that. For every 5 years, I think it will print. I think the one we're looking out is 2017, I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. 2017, I think so. And we can expect some good book out there in future, I think so. But I'm not sure. Can you please help me installing ZenMap in Kali Linux? Sure, sure. So first of all, Daksh Kurana, go to Nmap download. Okay, so go to the link first, first link. I'll show you easily. Okay, so if you could go down here, you can see some Linux RPM source and binaries. Okay, here you can see something like a GenMap GUI. Click on this and you'll download that. And in order to like simply search for .rpm in Linux. Okay, like I don't know, I'm not sure, but they'll show you the methodology, like how you can install that RPM. So RPM is nothing but like .exe. Okay, how to learn other new exploits. Other exploits are also there, but those are not so valid. Okay, these steps and having an error. Yeah, contact me once on Discord, Daksh. Okay, like you can share your screen there and you can solve. D it's not dpkg, it's .deb. So for installing .deb, you can simply type dpkg space -i space and the .deb file. .deb is like a Debian. Okay, you can expand it as Debian. It is like an installable. It's an installable. Okay, so when I started hacking like 2 years back, mostly. Still more time, guys. Can you share the command on comments, please? So dpkg -i and the file name .deb. What is your Discord channel? The link is in the description. Okay, the link is in the description. Daksh, you can join. You can post your questions out there. The link is always in the description below. Do check that out. Hi Satish. Hi. And also big shout out for my friend. His name is Satish and he's starting his new channel, where he'll make some IT tutorials. Okay, I'll notify you guys when he uploaded a video. Yeah, do check his channel as well to learn some IT tutorials or some issues. Tech YouTuber uh, in Telugu. I like Prasad Tech in Telugu. That's all. I think he covers most of the things. He's not so he's not so small. Okay, like he do all the unboxings what the top YouTubers do, and I really like him. The way he explains, I really like that. So I still watch his channel whenever I'm having any doubts or anything else. Yeah, I know Hacker's Blood, bro. Do check out, guys, Satish IT tutorials. If he uploads a video, I'll notify you guys in the Discord server. Okay, you can do check that out. Do support him. He's my friend. Hacker's Blood or Cyber Mentor. Uh, think Cyber Mentor. Think Cyber Mentor, but most people's like I can't decide because Hackersploit made almost all the content free. Okay, like all his content is out there free on internet. Don't need to buy anything from him. But notify on community tab, sure, sure. uh, Come on guys, so much time is there still. Can you invite Hackersploit to our Discord server? See, it's not possible, bro. Like if there is a way, I can definitely call him. There is a way, but yeah, like how many servers he would be possible? Like I'm asking why. What's the reason? Like any reason to call him to the Discord server? First, while learning hacking due to internet issue, I was disconnected. Sorry, it's okay. It's okay. Problems like initially I used to have an i3 processor, Gautam, which is I think you can understand what's the issue with the i3 processors. Like you need to run VM, you need to run Windows. Like it used to be really lagging, and I thought to leave this because of more resources. Then I bought my new laptop, and everything got fine. This is Buckroad University. So Buckroad University will teach you hacking. There are some resources for learning bug bounty. Okay, hi, hello, Tech Solutions Hindi. Hello, they provide some free resources. Okay, hi, Spy Boy. Have Area 51 leaked video. I will share on Telegram. No, see, even though if I create, I can't make that. Okay, Buckroad is a platform, but Buckroad University is like an educational resource where you can learn things for free. Cool. Let me check your channel, guys. Check his channel. Let me check your channel, bro. Edition Hindi, cool. What age did you start? 17. Best university for cybersecurity in India. I don't know, man. Don't know. Not sure regarding that. I think there won't be any university. You need to learn selfly. Cybersecurity is what you need to learn selfly. What are the major difference between privilege escalation and lateral movement? See, in privilege escalation, what you do is you try to escalate from a normal user to an privileged user, okay? But in lateral movement, or you call it horizontal or anything else, so what you do is you try to move from uh, like, let's think that we both are having same privileges, and you somehow got access to your account, and what you try to do is you try to access me, okay? Like, that's a lateral movement, or you can call like that, okay? Nobody want to create video, okay, cool. Good. You have to mention that clearly, bro, while asking question. In college to learn hacking, schedule yourself the time, okay? For ransomware work, even how it does not have higher privileges. See, you can only do any changes if you're having high privileges, okay? Yeah, I know Stock, bro. I know Stock. I watch his Puck Bounty Thursdays. Every Thursday, I watch his video. Tell something about car hacking. Express your thought. Like, it used to be previously, okay? Like, what used to happen is our key used to have. See, that's your choice. Tech solution. If you have any doubts, you can post it here. Don't ask me suggestions. Should I make that or should I make this? Okay, so let's think you have a car and you have a key, okay? So if you can, previously what used to be there is you can only unlock the car by sending the signal at particular frequency. Okay, so what people used to do is they used to catch that frequency and they used to try to send that, like, they used to generate frequency, they used to generate signal at that frequency and they used to unlock that. But now it's not that case. Like, there is a key exchange between the car and the key or the remote, and which is also encrypted. That's not possible. No, not possible nowadays. As I told you, they are implementing keys nowadays. So, like, a key is, it's like a password which is default set by the password. Who is talk? It's not C, it's K. He's a bug bounty hunter. He provides some resources to the uh, thing, okay? Yes, like, I write blocks there. Yes, yes, like, I write blocks there, that's all. At what reputation on bug bounty hunting to company offers us? The bug hunting is mostly done freelancing. It's like doing bug bounty hunting is like doing freelancing. Like, you don't need to work under anything else. If you have, like, if you are applying for jobs, if you have good reputation and if you have something, uh, there could be good possibility to hire you. That's all. Raquel, how long it will take to get a decent skills in hack? that depends on one learning capability. I can say, like, I can give you a general statement like it will take this many years or this many months. It purely depends. Okay, it purely depends on an individual, and learning is easy, but you need to maintain that as well. Okay. So any more questions? Like, it's time 9:03 here. In five to in some minutes, I'll try to close this session because I'm having some little bit of work to do. Or if you guys have any questions, post them out here. I'll try to answer that. Still there is 6 more minutes. Okay. Uh, can leave the meeting. Think that's it, guys. I hope so. You're not having any questions, and I think the time is also ending up. Still, we're having 5 more minutes. Can see any questions over here? Think I cleared all your doubts, guys. I think I cleared all your doubts. So, really, thank you for joining me for today. And I hope I had cleared your doubts. And if you're still having any doubts, or if you missed the stream, and if you seek any more help, do check out my Discord, okay, where you can acquire at most support from me and from my friends. Okay, that's it. Okay, so really thank you for joining me for today, and tomorrow there will be a video on uh, how to set up Linux within Windows by using Windows subsystem for Linux. So really thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the stream, and you can always connect to me via Twitter or Discord. Okay, so thank you guys. This is Satvik signing off. Good night, and I'll meet you tomorrow with a video and a live stream. Bye bye.